In this video, I'll be helping you with the math topic called factoring a perfect square trinomial. In this example taken from the OpenStax College Algebra text, we're asked to factor the perfect square trinomial 25x squared plus 20x plus 4. We're also given the definition of a perfect square trinomial as being able to be written in this form, where we have a squared plus 2ab plus b squared being equal to the quantity a plus b squared. And we're also given these how-to steps that I'll use for this example. I'll start by rewriting the example that we were told to factor, and then following the how-to steps. Step 1, we were told to confirm that the first and last terms are perfect squares. So to confirm that this first term and this last term are both perfect squares, and I'll actually do that by rewriting each of these as perfect squares. So I can say that this first term is a perfect square where inside we have a 5 and an x, and if both the 5 and the x were squared, we would have that 25x squared. And then for the last term, writing that as a perfect square, 4 can just be written as 2 squared. So we have confirmed that both the first and last terms are perfect squares. Our next step is to confirm that the middle term is twice the product of a and b. So we have a and we have b. If we wanted twice the product of a and b, twice a times b, now that we have a and b identified, would be 2 times a, which is 5x, times b, which is 2. Here, using our a and b, we can multiply this out. 2 times 5x is 10x, times 2 would be 20x, and yes, the middle term is twice a times b. So in step 1 and 2, we're just confirming that we actually have a perfect square trinomial. So now we can apply step 3, which just says write the factored form as the quantity a, which is just our 5x, plus b, which is our 2, inside parentheses being squared. So this would be the factored form of our perfect square trinomial.